Hello everyone, in today's video we'll talk about Bitcoin and I will show you why the sell-up was stopped around a major static support area. Please read the risk disclaimer before we'll talk about Bitcoin. Thank you guys. So let's take a look here on the daily chart. As you can see, Bitcoin has increased within an uptrend. Here it has printed a potential reversal pattern, a major rising wedge pattern. So this pattern here has signaled that the price of Bitcoin could decrease again, could develop a corrective phase. The breakdown here below this immediate uptrend line signaled a temporary decline, potential temporary drop. So you can see that the price of Bitcoin has decreased below the major uptrend line. It has invalidated here this breakdown, so we had only a false breakdown. So that's why the price has decreased again in the short term. But unfortunately, it has failed here to come back towards the all-time high from 64,895.22. It has found strong resistance here at 59,473.90, and then it has dropped again, and now it has registered an aggressive breakdown through the major uptrend line, signaling a potential larger corrective phase, a downside movement here. Okay, and right now, and as you can see here on the daily chart, the price has found again temporary support here at 43,021. We have here an important and strong static support, a former lower low here. So only a false breakdown here could indicate that the price of Bitcoin could increase again in the short term. Maybe it will come back towards the medium line of the descending pitchfork. Here its failure to reach the upper medium line of the descending pitchfork has signaled that the price could drop again towards the medium line, and here the price has failed to stabilize right above 15,000 psychological level or above the medium line, so the drop was somehow expected here. Also, the price has retested the weekly pivot point, so the bias is bearish right now, and the price of Bitcoin could continue its drop anytime. Okay, so let's go and let's take a look also on the 4-hour chart. So here you can see these several retests of the uptrend line, and the price's failure to take out the static resistance or to reach the upper medium line have signaled that the buyers are exhausted and that the sellers could take the lead, could take full control. Here we had a first drop, a first decline. The price has rebounded, but here, very important, the price failed to stabilize right above the weekly pivot point or to jump above the immediate and short-term higher high to be able to increase a little in the short term. So the price has decreased again below the medium line. It has retested it, signaling that the price of Bitcoin could continue to drop. So here we have the inside 50% Fibonacci line, which acts as a dynamic support, but the bias is bearish. The sellers are very strong in the short term, so if the price will stabilize right below the 50% Fibonacci line, maybe to pressure to challenge again the 53,021 static support, then the support could fail to hold, and the potential valid breakdown here, potential drop, stabilization right below this level could indicate a further decline registered by Bitcoin. So the bias is bearish. This one could be only a temporary rebound here from the static support, but the price of Bitcoin could drop anytime and could approach and reach today's low here from 42,185, or it could approach and reach the lower medium line of the descending pitchfork may be the weekly support. Okay, and as I've told you, a valid breakdown here below the static support could really signal an important decline in the short term here registered by Bitcoin. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.